want to show you today one of the more basic types of cast on. It's used where if you've got stitches already on your work, say for instance in an underarm area, and you wanted to join one side of your work with the next side of the work, and it's called the backwards loop cast on. And so if you've got your yarn here and your working yarn, all you're going to do is you take your finger from behind, wrap it around, twist it, and put that on the needle, tighten it up. I'll do it again, bring my finger from behind, twist it around and put it on. Now, as you can imagine with this particular type of cast on, because all you're doing is looping the yarn on the needle, it's not terribly tight and they have a tendency of the yarn moving from one to another. So you have to be very careful when you come to knit those that you are knitting into the right stitch and you don't end up with the yarn from one stitch slipping into the other. If it's being used in an underarm area, what I will in fact often do is cast on 2 stitches less, but then when I'm coming to knit the next row, in the gap here where you'll often have a little bit of excess yarn, pick up an extra loop there, and the same at the start, so each end of where the cast on was. And that means that it can help kind of counteract the fact that it tends to leave a little bit of extra yarn at each end. But that's all there is to the backwards loop cast on. Very straightforward, and there are certain situations where it's useful, but I would advise using with care because it's not a terribly strong cast on, and it's only really advisable for certain situations.